Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make easy one-pot chicken sausage and rice. Sausage, chicken, and rice is an easy one-pot dinner. The rice cooks together along with the chicken and sausage and creates this delicious hearty meal that everyone will love. So let's get started. Begin by heating oil in a pan over medium-high heat and add 12 ounces of sliced sausage. Today I'm using kielbasa, but smoked sausage will also work with this recipe. Cook sausage until browned. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Remove sausage and set aside. Add more oil to the pan and sauté 5 minced garlic cloves and 1 diced onion. Sauté until slightly softened. This will take about 2 minutes. Add 8 ounces of chicken cut into small chunks. This is equivalent to about 1 small chicken breast. Season with salt and pepper and cook for another 2 minutes. Return the sausage back to the pan. Add 2½ cups of water, 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder. I'll leave the one I used in the link below. And this is optional, a ½ teaspoon of turmeric. This will give the rice a nice yellow color. We just came back from Orlando, Florida, and this dish really reminds me of something we had at Disney World's Epcot's Food and Wine Tour. Stir in 1½ cups of long grain rice. I prefer to use basmati rice for this recipe because I like the texture. Long grain rice will also work, but I wouldn't recommend jasmine rice. It just comes out a bit more mushy. Bring everything to a boil, cover, and let simmer over medium-low heat for 20 minutes. Midway through, give it a stir and check if any additional salt is needed. Just remember the chicken bouillon powder has a good amount of salt. So the dish that this reminds me of at Epcot was a paella, but using kielbasa instead of Spanish chorizo and minus the seafood. After 20 minutes has passed, stir in 1 cup of frozen peas. The Food and Wine Tour at Epcot was so much fun, you guys. I'll have to make a video on that later. At the end of this video, there's a short clip of me trying that delicious paella. Cover and cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the rice should be nice and tender and ready to serve. This was such an easy one-pot meal, perfect for weeknights. The rice has a gorgeous yellow color, and it's so flavorful from simmering with the sausage. What I like to do is sprinkle a little bit of lemon juice over the top. It just kind of brightens up the flavor. All right, I'm ready to dig in. And it's so good. I hope you give this recipe a try. So we're here in Spain,
I'm very curious.
and I got a little paella plate here. You guys, don't forget to check out all my other simple and delicious recipes. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.